This is a demonstration of the Ultra2dtek from EMX Industries. The Ultra2dtek is an inductive loop detector. In this demonstration, we have connected the three of the Ultra2dteks to three individual loops using the EMX Ultra2 motherboard, and the wiring harness is used to supply power and bring the external relay contacts out to the connections in the operator. All of the EMX Ultra2dteks and other Ultra2dteks from EMX provide four different frequency settings for the loops: high, medium low, and low. And there's two dip switches that are used to control or set those frequencies. Currently on all three of the loop detectors, I have the frequencies set identically, and they are currently set to medium-high. The sensitivity switch is the level at which a vehicle will be detected, so the change in frequency needs to be high enough that it would trigger each of the detectors, and this is the adjustment for that feature. I want to demonstrate really the use of the ultrameter of the Ultra2dtek. The ultrameter displays or indicates the appropriate sensitivity setting to detect a vehicle that is positioned on the loop. So when a vehicle pulls up to the loop, a value shows up on the display, and as long as I turn or adjust the sensitivity setting, it'll detect that vehicle. So if I get a value that's lower than the setting, it does not detect. So let's try to show each one of these. Remember, the frequency is set the same on all of these currently. So one of the nice features of the ultrameter is that it can be used to identify or detect a situation where there's crosstalk between two channels. When there's crosstalk between two loops, that can occur when the loops are in close proximity to each other and they're operating at the same frequency. So that is one of the features of the Ultra2dtek, is you're able to identify that type of a situation, and you can change the frequency setting on one of the loops, and we'll hit a reset on that one since we changed it. And when it's finished doing a frequency count, we'll see that there is no longer any interference between those loops. So now when the vehicle pulls up, that loop, and the second loop, and the third loop are now no longer, the first and second loop are no longer interfering with each other. So that is the demonstration of the ultrameter on the Ultra2dtek family of products from EMX Industries.